Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq, SPX and Dow Jones price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see what we are expecting today for the stock market. So we are still in this triangle, potentially finished, and we got a signal of strength as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We want to see continuation toward the upside here. On the 1 hour chart for Nasdaq, we are looking at this impulse as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished wave 1, and this as expected yesterday. And I mentioned that there is a risk here for a 3 waves finished, and we're looking for an expanding flat wave C to hit back again our wave 2 target here, which it was supposed to be taken from the beginning. Yeah, it was supposed to be taken as a zigzag here, ABC, or a flat, but actually we saw a little bit of signal of strength here where we got an expanding flat coming back to the same area at the end, because it has to be taken at the end by the markets. This is the market psychology right now, to push toward the upside again from there as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. On the 15-minute chart, we can see that this 1, 2, and a wave 3, 4, and a 5, a wave 5 is still expected to be finishing here, this wave 2, as an impulse before we continue toward the upside. That means if we want to update our paths here, of course, this triangle is still playing there as a wave E, and we're looking right now for this path to push for higher, of course, in case of an impulse. Basically, this is going to unfold. So if we want to make it a little bit much more precise, we're gonna push down a little bit. One more wave 5, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the upside as, of course, bullish here. Our target is around this area. We're looking at least here for wave 3 in this ending diagonal, in case we are in an ending diagonal and not in a triangle, because the probability is still open there as an AB and a C. Your wave C can open as a zigzag here for a wave 3 as well, that it can be the 30K or the 31K and around it. Then we're gonna get a 4 and a 5 to finish, of course, this move finally for Nasdaq. Yep, so this is regarding Nasdaq. For SPX, well, it's much more stronger always. I don't know, the SPX is showing a lot of strength here, and it didn't show up an AB and a C like Nasdaq, like pushing down for another or deeper wave too. But actually it shows more strength here. It's still in double 1, 2, potentially to push for higher. After this triangle A, B, C, D, and E here, the wave E is finished even shallower than Nasdaq as well, showing higher momentum, of course, for bullish, and we're looking still towards the upside. 15-minute chart as well, we are looking at this 1, 2 there, another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 formation for another 1, 2. So to finish, of course, the wave 3, 4, and a 5 in a potential wave C, of course, to enter our blue zone here, target for the wave 3 definitely. And we're looking for this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing wave 3, finishing wave 4 later on, 5, and this is your wave C there. Meaning the diagonal on the 1 hour chart that we're still looking at is still a probability high, probability 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to get the new all-time high, finishing wave 5 here. And of course, the major wave 1, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna finish all the counts over there for wave 1 and potentially pushing down again for a massive wave 2. Very high probability, of course, for the bullish to update. Of course, the path here is a 3, 4, and a 5, guys. Yep, so this is regarding SPX. For Dow Jones as well. We're looking here at the 4 hour chart. We're still, of course, in something impulsive, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This wave 5 is unfolding for higher and can be on the micro level something very, very bullish. As I mentioned yesterday, once we broke the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level, 53K is our large bull flag here, and we're looking for a massive move for Dow Jones and very likely to hit the 53K 800 in one single move toward the upside, because this is a very large bull flag, and that means the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 ending or leading diagonal, both case scenario as diagonals, are invalidated, and that turns it into 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're looking for a massive wave 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, because the wave 5 as diagonal is longer than the wave 3, which is not allowed, turning this into double 1, 2s. That is very, very bullish for Dow Jones. I'm looking forward for this move from Dow Jones 53K 800, and of course continuation even toward the upside. Let's update our path here. 3, 4, and a 5. 4 and a 5 is expected to finish a major wave 1. That was it for the US stock market, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.